Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam, and what do you say, let's take the new Hyundai Ioniq 5N out on the track. We're gonna do that. We're here at Road America for the Midwest Automotive Media Association 2024 Spring Rally. So excited to be here. Let's go check this out and see what it's like on track. I'm gonna get my helmet on. Guys, this will be my first time on Road America, and I'm really excited about it. Let's go. All right, guys. First thing I'll notice is, guys, this is a full EV, but I've got active sound going on in here. So they're giving you that synthetic sound, but it sounds pretty cool. Let's do this. All right, guys, here we go. Man. Oh, it's so smooth. And the sound is cool. Man, it's crazy to think the sound is all in here. Oh, it feels so good. It's so weird, I want to shift. I want to shift so bad. Guys, this track is so awesome. They've got a little chicane set up for us here. Oh yeah, we're in sport mode. The handling's nice and tight. Woo! That's a good time. I highly recommend it. Guys, this is fun. Guys, this is so fun. Here we go up the hill, under the Corvette bridge. Oh man. There's a big left-hand turn up here, or a tight left-hand turn, I should say, at the top of that hill that's blind. Woo! Okay, we're getting after it now. All right, we got another tight turn coming up down here. Okay. Oh yeah. Guys, you can test drive a car, or you can get on a track and you can really test drive a car. That is what it's all about. If you drive something that has any performance in it, or any modern car really, you're probably not sure what it's capable of. Get it out on track. All right, here we go through what I'm gonna call the squiggle. They call it something else, but I'm calling it the squiggle. Oh, this thing handles really nice. Here we go. Got another chicane up here for us. All right, all right. Here we go. Gosh, that instant acceleration is just so much fun. Oh man, so good. Woo! All right, guys, we're getting ready to go back in. Guys, Road America is a first-class track. Guys, if you're buying an Elantra, if you are buying an Ioniq 5N and you don't go see what it can do on a track, You're doing yourself a disservice. Go do it. Guys, this is a great track. I'm really thankful to have come here. I'm thankful so much for Hyundai letting us drive this. Guys, I'm gonna get some more cars out here on track. And I really want to say thank you to Mama. That's the Midwest Automotive Media Association. Their spring rally here for media members is first class. I couldn't be more excited to be here, and this is so much fun. Road America is a beautiful venue. The track is awesome. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. I'm gonna go get this parked again and let somebody else take the wheel and have some fun. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next review.